Hi, this is an introduction to my entry for the Microsoft Power BI Best Report contest. Renowned for his shooting accuracy, pro basketball player Stephen Curry of the Golden State Warriors was named the NBA's Most Valuable Player in 2015. My contest entry tries to take a look at what his shooting numbers are, where is he shooting from, how is he shooting, and when is he shooting. This report shows what his main shooting statistics are. He played 35 games with 29.5 points per game at an amazing field goal percentage of 51% and 33.9 minutes per game. The list of opponents that he's played so far is given on the left hand side, and on the right hand side we have the shot chart which shows every single shot attempt that he's taken. You can also see the shots that he's made versus the shots that he missed, and also the 2-pointers and 3-pointers that's made and missed, as well as the number of actual points that he's gained through this. This entire report is interactive, so if you wanted to see it for the number of shots, you can click on that and see only the shots that he made, or he can click here and see all the shots that he's missed. You can also click on a particular team, let's say the Charlotte Hornets, and see how he's performed against that team. For example, he's played 2 games against the Hornets and got 35 points per game at a field goal percentage of 66.7 and 31.5 minutes per game. The red or green indicates whether his stats are above his average. You can also click on the slicer here to see how he's performed on a loss or a win. Now let's take a look at where he makes his shots from. Key insights: he loves to shoot 3-pointers. 54.2% of his total shots were 3-pointers. Another key insight: he hates mid-range shots, as is evident from this bar chart. 9.9% of his total shots were mid-range shots. To look at this in more detail, let's take a look at the game versus the Charlotte Hornets. And here in this game, you can see that 53.8% of his total shots were 3-pointers, and only 5.1% of his total shots were in the 8 to 16 mark. Actually, if we look at this, the detailed column chart, you can see that there was only one shot between the 10 to 20 feet distance, and he missed that. So if you want to take a look at what were the shots that he were making, let's click at the 24 plus one, and you can see all the shots that he made versus the shots that he missed. You can also take a look at his field goal percentage or his efficiency in this bar chart. Time to take a look at how he makes those shots. Key insights: he mainly takes jump shots, as is evident from this column chart. 69.7% of his total shots were jump shots. Another key insight: average number of dribbles while making shots is 3.2, while missing shots is 3.7. Let's take a look at the Charlotte Hornets game again, and here we can see that most of his shots were jump shots. And let's say if I want to see in more detail what those jump shots were, I can drill into the jump shots and see the different kinds of jump shot. And if I want to see all the pull-up jump shots that he made, I can see that by clicking on this chart. Finally, let's look at when does he make his shots. Key insight number 1, he grows in influence as the time passes in each quarter. He attempted 36% of total shots in the final 3 minutes of the quarters. And when there's 9 to 11 minutes left in the quarter, he doesn't make a lot of shots. But when there's 0 to 2 minutes left in the quarter, that's when he attempts a lot of shots. Let's look at the game versus the Hornets again, and you can see that it's following the same trend. And that's the end of this introduction. A quick shout out to these 3 sites for helping me get the data for this. And that's all. Thank you for listening.